Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable send read receipts in Google Messaging app. So if you use a Google Messaging app for a default app to open the SMS on your Android phone, you can try to disable send receipt. Here you can tap on your profile picture. Then you can tap on message settings, and then you can go to the RCS chats. Here you can try to turn off the send read receipts. Here we go. Let the other know you've read their message option. You can try to turn on or turn off on the RCS chat setting. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And click the next button below. See you in the next video.